ArcGIS provides everyone in your organization access to maps. And at the center of enabling this capability is a technology that we call Portal. For example, on my screen, you see my demo portal for Pipeline. You can think of Portal as your destination for everything location within your organization. So, the same way your users go to SharePoint for a map or iTunes for a song, they can come to Portal for maps and GIS data. Now, your portal can be skinned with your own look and feel, and you can also display a series of featured apps that are commonly accessed by your users across the front. Now, I want to draw your attention to my name in the top right corner. Identity is extremely important in the system. My portal understands who I am. And this is important for three primary reasons. The first is it actually controls my permissions within the system. The second is that this identity or this named user is the license that I have to all of the ArcGIS apps. And then lastly, as an individual, I belong to a series of groups. So this named user controls the content that I have access to. So groups are really the way that we disseminate content for the various groups and keep it separate. So for example, your business management team may need access to different information than the pipe integrity team. Using the group mechanism, they can actually keep that information separate. Now, I could drill further into any one of the groups that I belong to and actually discover the content within them, as well as the members of that particular group. Now, I also have an additional method of discovery where I can actually search the system as a whole for specific maps, layers, or applications. So really at a high level, this represents the basic information model for what we call our portal.